Who are you?
I'm Brandon.
Where are you from?
I'm from Tampa, Florida.
Tampa. All right.
Let's go.
What do you drive?
I drive a 2018 Mazda 6 Sport.
Why did you choose a Mazda 6?
Man, so I had a Mazda 3 before, and I was shopping around for cars, and I went to the Mazda dealership, and they showed me the brand new Mazda 6, and I was like, all right, this thing looks pretty good. But then when I sat in the inside of it and saw the interior and how many features the car had, for it just being a sport, I was like, okay, this is actually really impressive. I took it out for a test drive. I had some get to it. I mean, it's not the fastest car at all, but the car is so comfortable and it's so nice. So, I don't know, man. I just fell in love with it, especially after that test drive. So that car, the way it looked, that's the reason why I picked it.
All right. So you said you bought it brand new. So
Yeah.
how long have you owned it since you bought it brand new?
Shoot, what is it, like 4 years now? Because I got it in 2018 when it first came out.
Okay.
Right, yeah.
All right. So what do you love the most about your Mazda 6?
Ooh, the most, to be 100% honest, it would have to be the interior of the car. Yeah.
Interior.
That's what gets me.
All right. What do you hate the most about your Mazda 6?
I hate that the rear bumper isn't set up like the 2014s through 2017s, how they have the black. I hate that the whole thing is one solid color.
You like that?
Oh yeah, I love that.
We hate that.
Bro. But it gives it contrast. You guys have diffusers and stuff, man. We hate that.
We hate that.
Nah, man, the solid, it just looks like a big egg from the back.
If you could do it all over again, if you could go back to 2018 when you were looking for a car, would you choose the Mazda 6 again?
I would choose the Mazda 6, but I would have dished up the extra money to get the signature edition, for sure.
Oh, yeah, they did have it in 2018. That's when they started. Okay.
I would have done that for sure.
And is that the turbo in the signature?
2.5 turbo.
That's a turbo and the whatever type of leather. I got a different leather.
Yeah, it's got some stuff in there, man.
It's clean. So, what is your favorite modification to your Mazda 6?
My favorite modification to my Mazda 6, I think, personally for me, is adding the duck bill onto it.
Okay.
Yeah, it just makes the whole rear end look like a totally different car, man. It's sick.
So while we're talking about modifications, what modifications have you done?
Oh man, like even like the coilovers.
Yeah, people want to know.
So I have Rev 9 coilovers. They're the cheapest coilovers you can get. They're like only $400, and it's been like a year. They're riding fine. I got a front lip on it. It's cheap. It's on eBay. I got the duck bill. I got a Flowmaster Super 10 series muffler. I got a resonator delete. That's just a straight pipe. I got side skirts on it. I put a Cork Sport intake with the box. I have a Megan Racing strut bar. Some like interior fake carbon fiber pieces. I'm trying to think if there's anything else major that I did to it that's like. I mean, I got plastic window visors on there, man.
Your wheels.
Oh yeah, duh. I got Vordoven, I think that's how you say it. Wheels, 19-inch wheels, 19 by 9.5 plus 35 offset. I got the tires that I have on it are Bridgestones. They are 235, 40, 19s. That's it.
What has your inspiration been for your Mazda 6? Has somebody inspired you? Like what kind of influenced your modifications?
What influenced my modifications?
Or who? I don't know.
You know, believe it or not, Ty. So Ty added me to the group chat a long time ago. He's slow.m6 on Instagram. This car's sick, by the way, but when he started modding his car, it started making me want to mod my car, and then the group chat started expanding. More people started coming in with more Mazda 6s, and then that was the biggest influence, is trying to like, oh man, maybe I should lower, maybe I should keep up with what they're doing, and it was kind of just like that influence right there, that bad influence.
Bad. The group chat is bad influence.
Yeah,
make everybody lower their shit.
Yeah, literally, bro. Even Archie was like, I'm not gonna. He was like, well, I should lower it. Then he just slams it, and
He's the lowest person in the group.
He's the lowest person. He left it the same.
Do you have any advice for current Mazda 6 owners or to be Mazda 6 owners?
Ooh. Any advice is, if you're gonna lower it, it still won't look that low. And so don't be disappointed is what I'm trying to get to, but be ready for the axle problems, bro. That's the biggest thing, is the axles. At least even for me, I had a 2018 and the axle broke. I had to replace the driver's side axle already, just because of I don't even know what. But anyway, yeah, that's it. Watch out for that.
And what is your favorite thing or your least favorite thing about the Mazda 6 community?
My favorite or my least favorite?
Or both. Both of them.
Huh. I mean, to be honest with you, from my experience in the Mazda 6 community, especially like with the Facebook, all that stuff on Reddit forums, it's been pretty positive. There's no really like, very rare you get somebody being negative. At least from my experience, I haven't got any negative feedback or anybody really hating. I mean, it's just chill. I got no complaints about them actually. When I think about it, it's chill.
You have any ending notes? Anything you want to get off your chest? Or, just...
Yeah, so this is my big nah, nah, man, that's it. My car is all right. I want to bag it by the summertime. That's my new plan. And
well, remember, if you want to bag it, you know, if you like, let me know. We'll plan it. Like, send it to me. I'll be.
Mark my words, I'm gonna do it. Yeah, but nah, I ain't got nothing left to be honest. That's literally the plan. And yeah, just follow my Instagram, P1ZARO. P1ZARO.
What about YouTube?
YouTube, same thing, P1ZARO. P1ZARO. And you see all of my content, my whole build process on my YouTube as well.
And make sure you visit his link tree to see all his modifications. Click those links and buy them within 24 hours. Add them to your cart.
Yo, right. Do that. It really helps me out, guys. It helps me out, I promise. That's going to be in my bio on my Instagram and YouTube in the link descriptions. But yeah, that's it. I got it.
All right. Well, Brandon, a.k.a. P1, my internet friend.
Yes, sir.
It is a pleasure.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
What is this kid doing here? You good?
Me?
Yeah.
I've been waiting because I don't want to interrupt.
Oh my God.
Oh,
please,
now
bro.
you don't want to interrupt.
I don't want to interrupt.
Where the paper towel was at?